Welcome to Agilibo. Thank you for choosing to watch this video tutorial that will run you through the registration process and how Agilibo can help you enable high-performance distributed agile teams with all its functions. Enjoy the video and make most of it. First of all, you need to open your browser and go to www.agilibo.com. Click on Register to sign up. You have to fill up all the necessary fields such as your name, company name, unit name, email, password, etc. After filling up everything correctly, click on Register. You're inside Agilibo now. Agilibo has all the necessary features for Agile transformation. You'll see Home, Collaborate, Scrum, Scaled Scrum, Agile Activities, My Team, and others. Let's start using these features. First of all, we have Home, which will lead us to the home page wherever we go. Then we have Collaborate, which enables the Agile companies to collaborate with one another. We will post a separate video for collaboration. Then we have Scrum. Scrum has multiple modules: Play Scrum events, Sprint settings, Velocity progress, and Scrum setting. In Play Scrum events, there are Planning Poker, Retrospective, and Journey Line. We're going to start playing these events first. Let's click on Planning Poker. Log in to start the session if you're a registered user. If you're not a registered user or you want someone to play Scrum Poker with your team who is unregistered to Agilibo, don't worry. You can do that too. Fill up user story description, acceptance criteria, and description box according to your own plan. You can invite your team members or guests to join the session by sending them an invitation mail or just sending them the link. After discussing and understanding the story, criteria, and description, estimate any one of the points. When everyone is finished estimating, a statistics box will appear just below the help tips. This is the result of the Scrum Poker session. You can save the story, play the same Scrum event by re-estimating, play new story by clearing estimates, and play loaded story again by clicking on previous stories. You can even change, increase, or decrease the points in team settings. Let's go back to Home again and play another Scrum event. Let's click on Journey Line. Journey Line usually offers a template to capture all the positive and negative events that occurred during a certain period of time. Let's log in with Agilibo's username and password. See, there's a template. Let's drag some images and indicators to create a journey line. Draw the timeline on the x-axis as the positive and on the y-axis as the negative experiences. It's up to your own creativity to draw your own journey line. You can delete or reset your journey line if you want. Click on Save File Locally to save your journey line in your PC, or you can click Save in DB to save the journey line in Agilibo's database server. We've played all the Scrum events. Let's move to Sprint Settings. The Sprint Settings button helps you select the available teams and set up new sprints. Next up, Velocity Progress. Let's click on it. In Agile software development, Velocity is an often used capacity planning tool. If your company has multiple teams, search and find your team and click on your team's velocity progress. You can check your team's velocity in Scrum Delivery KPI and a graphic chart. You can leave Velocity Progress window anytime you want. Let's return to the home page again. In Scrum, we also have Scrum settings. We can set up Scrum role and Scrum development role in Scrum setting. It seems we're done with Scrum. Let's move to the next module. Agile activities are the key activities that help teams to transform Agile. If we click on that, we will see Happiness Door, Kudo Card, Delegation, Skills Bazar, My Motivators, and Personal Map. Let's check them out one by one. First of all, we have Happiness Door. Let's click on that. There's a new tab. Click on Post a Sticky Note. Check any of the 3 pictures of the sun. They represent our feelings. While writing happiness notes, you should write according to your feelings. Keep it as short as possible. You can select the event which you're working on. What's so awesome about Agilibo's Happiness Door is that you get feedback faster. You're not waiting for a monthly or quarterly or weekly review meeting, or for a survey to be filled out and assessed. After you're done, you can click on Post It. Let's go back to the home page. You'll notice that there's a new happiness note posted by us. Okay, let's click on the next Agile activity, which is Kudo Cards. Let's click on Post a Kudo Card. Let's choose any template you like, then click on it. Write anything relatable. Then let's type the recipient's email address. Agilibo has reintroduced Kudo Card in a much digital and user-friendly way. Using Agilibo, there's no need to buy them. You can send them easily and quickly. Okay, let's share this Kudo. And we're done. Let's go back to the home page. Next up, Delegation. Let's open it. Let's click on Delegation Poker from a particular team. First of all, we should send invitation to the teammates and guests to play Delegation. Then write a task which is related and important from your team. Then ask everyone to choose any one of the cards. When everyone is finished voting, we can check the result and check Delegation Task Report in Team Settings. We can edit the poker cards, legends, or clear saved data in Team Settings. Let's go back to homepage. Let's click on Skills Bazar, which is right after Delegation inside Agile Activities. Then, let's select any of the teams of the company so that we can play Skills Bazar with different team members. To start playing, let's invite some team members first by clicking Invite Team Members. After inviting them, let's click on Team Settings and create some useful blocks. Now we can add skills. Let's buy or sell some skills. We can click on Add to Global Board also if we want to sell skills outside team or buy skills that are not available in our team. Now, let's choose the appropriate block for this skill and click on Save. Each time we add a new skill, there will be an automated count on the table of blocks. We can see the skills that the teammates are offering to sell or buy on the skills table. In Global Board, we can see skills that people from other teams want to buy or sell. If anyone requests to buy any of the skills we offered to sell, there will be an instant notification on the top right corner. We can find the request later in the request box. When we're done buying or selling, we can go back to homepage anytime. Let's play My Motivators. My Motivators is almost as same as Journey Line. Instead, here you have to place your motivators according to your own taste from left to right, as in from most to least, and move them up and down to express if they're on the positive side or negative side. Agilibo has all the necessary customized motivators. Their acceptance, curiosity, freedom, status, goal, etc. You can edit the motivators in settings. You can preview your teammates' motivator as well. Let's return to our homepage and click on our next important module, My Teams. When we go to Teams, we can set our default team as per necessity anytime we want, if our company has more than one team. Let's click on Manage Teams. As we can see, there's a new page. Click on Add New Team to create new teams. Adding new teams is easy. Just fill out the necessary information and your team will be created. When we're done with filling out all the necessary boxes, we can click on Create Team. To see the team, let's click on Back and type the team's name on the search bar. You can edit your team's information anytime by clicking on your team setting. As we can see, after clicking on Settings, a new page has appeared. After updating the team's information, let's click on Back. Let's click on Manage Team Members to add members to the teams. Once again, a new page has appeared. We can add new team member and delete existing members while managing teams. If your company has multiple unassigned employees, you can add them by clicking on Add Existing Users to the team. We can click on Back when we're done. Click Back again if you're done managing team members. We can click on Remove to remove any of the teams. That's everything we need to know for now. Let's return to the home page. Lastly, we have one more module left, which is Others. This module is basically for managing user profile. Let's click on it. We can edit or update our personal information, add profile photos if necessary. The user profile is built in such a way that one can build a professional description of oneself. That is pretty much it. Let's go back to the home page. Thank you for watching our full version of video tutorial on using Agilibo. Hope this helped you to develop your understanding of it. For more information, check out our website www.arshibo.de.